welcome to this day in the life small business owner edition. This was a Wednesday and I just wanted to bring you guys throughout my day, going to the office, doing some things around my apartment, and all the above. So of course we start our mornings with coffee. This cute checkered mug I actually hand painted at a little pottery studio. And then it's time to do my devotions. I've been loving this daily Bible reading, Change Your Life, but I've been loving doing that. And then of course my journaling session in my dreamer journal. And then I quickly make my bed and went on a quick walk since we had to be at the office by 10. So I went on about a mile walk, so it takes me about 20 minutes. Listen to a podcast or call my mom while I do that, and then I get back and I'm very hungry. So today we made some toast and pesto eggs. It's one of my favorite ways to prepare eggs. You basically take pesto. I use Trader Joe's vegan pesto. You put that in the pan first and then you crack the eggs on top and let those cook. Oh, it's so good. Loved this. Now we're gonna transition from voiceover to a normal vlog, but I wanted to take you guys through my little morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in the life vlog, studio vlog, small business owner vlog. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna call this video, but I've been loving doing daily vlogs with voiceovers on the Shop Dream Daily TikTok, and I think I may start posting them to my personal Instagram. I've lately been posting them to the Shop Dream Daily Instagram, but anyway, I've been loving doing those on TikTok, just showing you like literally every aspect of my day. I'm getting ready super quickly because it is Abby's second day. Abby is Dream Daily's summer intern. I am so excited for her to start. It's actually really cool that she found me and Dream Daily through the application on LinkedIn for the internship. So like she didn't follow me before, she found me through the LinkedIn application, applied. She had such a great application, gave me content examples. She bought the products and made content with it. So I'm gonna try to remember to vlog. She said she's all fine with being on camera and being in the vlogs, which is great, so that you guys can kind of see more behind the scenes of what we do and how we do it at Dream Daily. We're getting ready for a launch that's happening next month. So a big part of today is going to be doing some planning for that, which I can't really share yet, but once I can, you know I will. I'm really excited for it. So it's 9:15, but I want to leave like literally right now so I can get over to the office a little before her and just like get everything set up. So we're gonna hurry through, but I had a nice little morning routine. I love getting outside when it's so nice out. Had a yummy breakfast, need to pack some snacks, all of that kind of stuff, but should be a good day. All right, I'm gonna finish getting ready. These are the TikTok day in the lives I've been talking about. I've been uploading some of them as shorts, but it only lets me upload up to a minute on YouTube Shorts, so this is super helpful if you actually want to go watch it on TikTok. They're so cute. I'm actually really proud of them. I really am showing you like a lot of little moments from the full day, so love that.
Battery 60%.
I'm here with Abby. Welcome to the vlog. We're so excited. We've been working for a few hours. It's already noon. But yeah, how does it feel so far? How are you?
It's been great. There's a lot on the to-do list, which is exciting.
Yes.
It's been really fun,
It
and we
is.
have some really fun, exciting stuff coming soon.
Yeah, we've been working on the new launch strategy, and it's making me really excited. I cannot wait to share with you guys all the content and the photos. They're just so fun. But we are going to have some lunch and sit outside and continue work. But I restocked the fridge yesterday. Let me show you. Abby was giving me her food favorites, and Sprite was one of them. So I got these minis. Have you ever had the mini cans?
Yeah,
they're like so cute, and I was like, I think these will fit perfectly. I got myself like some Arizona tea. I love poppies. Got some new creamers, and then chips. So which one? You said you liked barbecue, right?
I like all those.
Okay,
probably.
okay,
I like
good.
Fritos. I don't like Fritos. Fritos.
Yeah, I don't like Fritos either. Okay, we'll just won't worry about those. I like Doritos. I think that's my favorite. So we got some chips, some granola bars. All right, we've been working here for a little bit, but like I said, we're gonna move our chairs and head outside and get some more done. I'm actually gonna try the cherry limeade flavor from Poppy. I've never had this one, but I love like a Sonic cherry limeade. It's one of my favorite summer drinks. So it's like a little bit more lime and tart than I was expecting. Obviously not the same as Sonic, but it's still really good. It has a lot of flavor actually, which we love. Together graphics about that, and we're gonna make an Eventbrite page too, so people can like sign up easily on there. Maybe we'll start on the blog a blog post, which is simple. It's kind of like you update the Pinterest, because I know there's a lot of photos that I have that aren't on Pinterest. So doing that, see where we get from there.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Yay! All right, it is 3:10. Abby left at 3, and I was gonna work a little bit more, but I'm kind of wanting a snack, and I've eaten all my snacks here, so I think we're gonna go home and finish up some work there. Today was gonna be my rest day from a workout. I've been going to Pilates 3 to 4 times a week, and I went Monday and Tuesday, but let's just see. I think they have like a stretching class. I was just gonna go walk on the treadmill or something, but we got a lot done today. A bunch of random things. Today honestly flew by. Like, I cannot believe the day is over. It felt like she just got here and just started for the day, so that's always good, you know, when the day flies by. But I feel like we still got a good amount of stuff done, and it's so fun to have her here and to have someone to work with and talk through ideas with. I'm so excited for her to continue and just like get in the groove and us see what we can do this summer for Dream Daily. I'm really excited for it. All right, let's pack up.
She has red hair. And it's giving brave.
It's tragic.
The outfits, the hair.
It's shocking and it's offensive to the fans. It's offensive to the book too, and it's offensive to Blake Lively, like the most stylish woman on the planet. Who would put her in these clown outfits?
I mean, that big brown.
All right, I was sitting on the couch for like 2 hours and was partially working, but mainly just chilling. And I was like, okay, Hannah, we got to get back into gear. It's 5 o'clock. Like, let's do a little bit more today, because I honestly was just tired of looking at my computer screen. So I'm like, okay, it doesn't have to be actual computer work. Let's just do something productive this evening before our Pilates stretch class. So I'm gonna clean up my closet a little bit, do some laundry, wash my makeup brushes, just do some tidying and get dinner ready so that I can make it right when I get back from my walk and class. So, you know, I'm just trying to motivate myself. It is super nice that the days last longer, obviously in the summer. Like, it's still beautiful weather out, and so it keeps me wanting to do stuff and not just like sit on the couch and scroll TikTok for hours and hours. It's very easy to do. I've been listening to a new podcast, Kaylee Stewart's. I found her on TikTok a while back. The Hot Girl Energy podcast. I have my work mood podcast. I have my leisure, like be productive, inspiring, but not necessarily like work focused. And then I have my entertainment, like funny podcast, like The Toast and whatnot. So I have like 3 different versions. This one, I would say, falls in my middle version. It's like gets me up. I'm gonna listen to the Hot Girl Summer Prep Part 2 episode. So yeah, let's do some things around the apartment. outside to wash your makeup brushes. I'm eating dinner so late. I normally eat at like 5 p.m. I made some little pesto macaroni pasta, added in tomato and spinach. I wanted the spinach to wilt a little bit more, but that's okay. And then I made some meatballs. They don't look very appetizing, but they are. And I've just been busy cooking, took a shower. The big t-shirt my boyfriend gave me back on. You know when you just like have a pajama look that you love and you wear it for a week straight? But I'm gonna eat this and I'm going to watch and hopefully finish Bridgerton's Queen Charlotte, the Bridgerton prequel. I think I started it in a vlog actually, and I've just been so busy with Taylor Swift weekend, Mother's Day weekend. Like I haven't had a lot of time in my apartment by myself to finish it. So we are going to finish watching that. I'm probably gonna cry. That's okay. I think I'm emotionally prepared. And I've been reading a really good book, Kingdom of Ash, the final book in the Throne of Glass series. And it is also, it's a tough read. It's like a lot happening, a lot of different character perspectives, but I'm like 30-something% in that book. So I want to read a little bit of that tonight too. So we got a content heavy evening. We need our fuel. Gotta eat this dinner.